So hello everyone, welcome in our HTML tutorial. So let's start. So let's take a look at the syntax of HTML. So this is the basic structure of any HTML pages. So doctype HTML, this is the beginning of our HTML code. Doctype HTML, then HTML. As you know that this is a opening tag for HTML and this is a closing tag for HTML, and every tag have a closing tag also. Every opening tag has a opening closing tag also. Okay, so but and some exception are okay always. So doctype HTML, this is the beginning of HTML code and this is HTML. Then head tag, this is the head tag and this is a closing tag for head, and this is a body and this is the closing tag for body. So this is the basic structure of a HTML page. So let's know more about this. So what is the doc type? So all HTML documents must start with a doc type declaration. So this the declaration is not a HTML tag. So doctype HTML is not a HTML tag. It is the information to the browser that this is a document type to expect. So as doctype HTML is not a tag, this is the information to browser about what document type to expect. So this is just information for our browser. And then HTML tag. So HTML, this is a HTML version 5. So doctype HTML, this is HTML. So what is a HTML is another tag, don't worry about it too much. Then head. So head element is just a container for the metadata. So what is metadata? Metadata, that means data about the data. So this is too much confusing, but don't confuse it. And so what is head? So head element container for metadata, and it is a place between HTML tags. So as you see that this is the head, starting of head, and this is the ending of head. So so head is a container for metadata and it is placed between HTML tags and the body tag, HTML and body tags. Okay, metadata is data about HTML pages, and metadata is not displayed in our website or is in our web pages. So head contains different type of tags or attributes, so such as title. So every HTML page must be required a title. Then style. So it contains different type of tags such as title tag, style tag, base tag, link tag, meta tag, script tag, and no script tag. Don't worry too much about this type of tag, just worry about title tag. So head must be contain a title tag. So what is the title tag? So the title tag defines the title of the document. So title must be text only. So you cannot use any type of image in our title, in between title tag. So title tag is required in each and every HTML document. This contents of page title is a very important. The contents of the contents of page title is very important for search engine optimization. So as a SEO, so title of a web page is very important for search engine optimization. The page title is used by search engine algorithm to decide the order when the listing pages in search result. So this is a high level thing, don't try to understand this at this moment. So after title there is a body tag. So what is the use of body tag, or what is body tag? So body tag defines the document's body. So the body element contains the all type of contents of HTML documents such as heading, paragraph, image, and so body tag is generally a container for different type of tags. So okay, so let's start coding. Okay, so at first create a folder in your laptop, then create a file as a with .html extension. So I am using Sublime code editor. You can use any type of code editor for the HTML programming. Just follow me. So let's start coding. Okay, so I create a new file, then I need to save it. So Control S. So save the file. So this is our first page. So write as a hello, and the extension of the file is always HTML. So save this file. So the file name is HTML hello.html. So let's look how it is. Okay, this is my page, HTML page. So hello. So this is a HTML with this is with a HTML extension. So when I work on it, you can see the file type is Chrome HTML document. So this is a HTML document. So let's write code. So for in Sublime code editor, you can use the shortcut for HTML code snippet. Just write HTML and press tab. Okay, so you can see the doctype HTML, head, title, head, body. So this is the basic structure for head. So let's set title for our web page. So write as a hello world. So okay, setting our title is done. So save this and press OK, and go to the folder just and double click on the file. You can see that hello. So this is the title of the page. We can change it. So right is a title. So save the file and go to the web browser and refresh it. Okay, so it is done. This is the title of our web page. So we want to write something in our web page. So write hello world in our web page. So this is a very basic programming introduction to all of you. So I'm not going to too much depth. So just write hello world. So okay, this is your first HTML programming. So let's take a look in more detail. So go to our next slide. So this is how to set title. So title inside of title tag, you need to set your title or write your title, and going to another next tab. So this is the hello world program. So this is our hello world program as you see. So body, inside of body we need to write hello world. So this is done. And heading tag. So define type of heading tag. So in HTML, so define type of heading tag. So heading tag means H1 to H6 are known as a heading tag. So the H1 to H2 tags are used to define an HTML heading. So H1 defines the most important heading and H6 defines the least important heading. So only so H1 and H6. So let's take a look. I can copy here. I can copy it and I can. So okay, everything is done. Let's take a look in our web page. So go to our web page. So this is our first web page and refresh. Boom. So okay. So hello world. So this is for H1 tag. So this is the most important heading. So H1 is used for most important. I think you are now able to understand why I say H1 is used to define the most important heading, because this is the larger in font size and this is the bold and this is the H6. So for this is the least important heading. So I think that's enough for our first introduction session or our first coding session. So in this video we just learned little much about the structure of HTML, the defined tags, so HTML head, title, then how to set title and headings of different type of headings. So that's all. So please stay tuned for more tutorials and please do like and subscribe our YouTube channel. So goodbye everyone.